Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete all your reposts on TikTok. So let's head over to our TikTok application to see that. So once you're in your TikTok, make sure you logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. And once you're there, you'll find your reposts in here. So as you can see, you're reposted. So what you need to do to delete this is just tap on the arrow on the right, and here you'll find the option of deleting. If you can't find that, you can just tap on the pencil icon, and here you can just write anything you want. If you don't know how to delete this, all you can do is just to show you the option how we can do that. Here you find the share button, then tap on remove repost and press on you can press and hold on the video, then tap remove repost. You can tap your own profile photo on the video and tap reposted and then tap remove repost. So these are the three ways, so let's apply them. So I'm keeping tapped on this video, and here this option arrives remove repost, so I'll tap on remove repost, and this is removed from a repost section. So yeah, this is how you can remove your reposts on TikTok. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.